So you're considering investing in real estate, but you're not sure where to start? Well, let me tell you why Kansas City might just be the perfect place for your next investment. Sure, when you think of bustling real estate markets, places like New York or Los Angeles might come to mind. But don't underestimate the hidden gems that Kansas City has to offer. First off, let's talk about affordability. Compared to many other major cities, the cost of living in Kansas City is relatively low, making it an attractive option for investors looking to maximize their return on investment. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Kansas City offers a wide range of investment opportunities to suit every budget. But it's not just about affordability. Kansas City also boasts a strong and diverse economy, with thriving industries such as healthcare, technology, and manufacturing. This means there's a steady demand for rental properties, providing investors with a stable source of income and long-term growth potential. And let's not forget about the lifestyle. Kansas City offers a vibrant cultural scene, with world-class museums, theaters, and restaurants to explore. Plus, with its beautiful parks and outdoor recreational areas, there's no shortage of activities to enjoy. But perhaps the biggest draw of all is the sense of community. Kansas City is known for its friendly and welcoming atmosphere, making it a great place to live and invest. And with the help of Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you can rest assured knowing that your investment properties are in good hands. Our team of experienced professionals will work tirelessly to ensure that your properties are well maintained, tenants are happy, and vacancies are filled quickly. We handle everything from marketing and tenant screening to rent collection and maintenance, so you can enjoy passive income without the hassle. Let's take a deeper look into the specific advantages that Alpine Property Management Kansas City brings to the table. We understand that investing in real estate can be daunting, especially if you're new to the game. That's where we come in. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we pride ourselves on our personalized approach to property management. We're not just here to collect rent and fix leaky faucets. We're here to build long-term relationships with our clients, guiding them every step of the way to success. When you partner with us, you'll benefit from our extensive knowledge of the local market. We know the ins and outs of Kansas City's neighborhoods, from up-and-coming areas to established hotspots. This insider knowledge allows us to help you make informed decisions and identify the best investment opportunities. But our expertise doesn't stop there. We also understand the importance of maximizing your rental income while minimizing expenses. That's why we offer comprehensive property management services designed to optimize your ROI. From strategic marketing to proactive maintenance, we do whatever it takes to keep your properties profitable and your tenants happy. And speaking of tenants, we go above and beyond to attract and retain high-quality renters. We carefully screen every applicant to ensure they meet our strict criteria, reducing the risk of late payments, property damage, and evictions. Plus, our responsive maintenance team is always on hand to address any issues quickly and efficiently, keeping your tenants satisfied and your properties in top condition. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time landlord, you can trust Alpine Property Management Kansas City to help you achieve your real estate goals. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest trends and tips in real estate investing. Together, let's unlock the full potential of Kansas City's real estate market.